TOSHIBA Machine Episode ZERO. The two companies of Shibaura Machine Works and Shibaura Machine both share the name of Shibaura, but their histories took different paths. However, through the many efforts of our predecessors, the two companies once again merged in 1961. The strengths reunited under the name Shibaura have been passed down and retained. We will maximize customer value by harnessing synergies which transcend our business. We think of this as bringing together the Shibaura spirit of manufacturing, which resides in each of us. And now, in 2020, TOSHIBA Machine Company will become Shibaura Machine Company. Together with the spirit of manufacturing embodied in the name Shibaura, our story continues.